Alright, in this quick video I want to show you how to remove songs that you no longer want to hear on your Amazon Echo device, and it could be an Echo like this, or it can be a show or whatever you have, and you're getting tired of the same songs that they keep replaying. So in order to remove songs out of your playlist, the only thing you have to do is go to your iPhone or your Android phone. Do not try it on your computer or your PC, because you'll find that it will not work. Like, you'll remove it and then the next day you realize that the song is still on there. So you have to do it through the Amazon music app. And in order to do that, what you're going to have to do is go to the music app. And your account should already be logged in. If not, you need to log into your account. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you're at library. And then from library, you're going to scroll up. And then what you're going to do from here, you're going to go to recently added. And then from here, this shows your full playlist. So I'm having an issue with Amazon continuing to play Creed over and over and over again. And so you can sort by title to find the song. You can do it that way. Or in my case, I'm going to go by band. So what I'm going to do is click sort and go by artist name, apply. And remember, I said Creed was the band. So here we go. We can go here, and you can click on there, and there's all the songs that I have, which I have about 10 or 12. If you hit this blue heart, the blue heart means it's on your playlist. So if you hit the blue heart, it'll say remove from library. Same thing, if you go to the individual song, let's say this Beatles song I want to remove, I just click on this heart, and it says down here remove from library, tap to undo. Before, you had to hit the three little dots and remove the song, but that should automatically remove it. Alright, so if you're having an issue with your Echo device continuing to play the same songs over and over and over again, instead of playing other songs that you have deeper in your library that you never hear on your playlist, one thing you can do is if you have more than one playlist. So I have like 2 playlists. So what, my main account and then like a random one. If not, create another account. And then what you can do is, instead of saying, Alexa, play my RW playlist, you can say Alex, sort my music. And when you do that, it will engage both playlists, even if you might only have 2 songs in the other playlist. It will help confuse it for the Echo to not play the same dang songs, 5 songs over and over again, even though you request a shuffle. Because I said Alexa, please shuffle my music, and it still won't do it. It'll play those same darn 4 or 5 songs. I'll put a link on the video I made about that at the end of this one. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.